Hey guys, I am in Fort Smith, Arkansas today. About to go see my guys over at Cambered Customs to get a little overhaul on the new Jeep. Let's go. All right guys, we're over here with my boys, Shane and Rick at Cambered Customs. We're about to get some rough country parts installed. Guys, you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, we are an authorized rough country dealer. They've been generous enough to give us a bunch of parts to put on this gentleman's Jeep here. We need a 3.5-inch lift, rock sliders, front rear bumpers, winch, lights, all the goodies to
all the goodies.
Get him out there on the trail and get it done for sure.
Yeah, we appreciate these guys. If y'all are in the Fort Smith area or really anywhere in Arkansas, they're not far away. Make an appointment, come in here, see these guys. They do amazing work. Like they said, they are a rough country authorized dealer, and they can handle anything that you need when it comes to aftermarket custom work. So they're the best in the state. All right, guys, y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it.
Get it.
Alone in the midst of something that I want to play with your evil inside, wanting, letting go of what never could be. I'm getting lost and alone, imprisoned and now inside of your mind, with the way you tried to destroy me again. You were waiting and living for no one, with the way you tried to completely refuse all your life. Being on your nothing, you'll never live after me. Awaken you with a little evil inside. Being on your nothing, you'll never live after me. I'm stricken you. I don't wanna live with the lie. Being on your nothing and you'll never live after me. Stripped of life alone, in the midst of something that I want to play with your evil inside, wanting, letting go, and what never could be again.
So what was the difference in the springs? These are just hard to put on, or?
The other one's fit. The other one's fit. What's wrong with that?
Lost and alone, imprisoned and now inside of your mind, with the way you tried to destroy me again. You were waiting and living for no one, with the way you tried to completely refuse all your life. Being on your nothing, you'll never live after me. Awaken you with a little evil inside. Being on your nothing, you'll never live after me. I'm stricken you. I don't wanna live with the lie. Being on your nothing and you'll never live after me. Awaken you. No, can't live after me. Sure, I'm stricken you. Can't live after me. There isn't a thing that I can do. Watching this whole thing just wash away, making it wrong. There isn't a thing that I can do. Watching this whole thing just wash away, making it wrong, making you strong.